The Rhode Island Urban Search and Rescue Team was started in 2004. A number of members of various fire departments in the state, as well as state instructors and members of the federal team out of Massachusetts, brainstormed basically what they needed for a team to respond to a situation in Rhode Island, building collapse, hurricane. Looked for participants from the various fire departments and police agencies and K9, and came up with the plan to put a team together similar to the federal response teams that are out there, but tailored to the needs of Rhode Island. They've had a number of deployments in Rhode Island, Hurricane Sandy, they did Hurricane Irene, done a couple of deployments. A couple of winters ago we had some building collapses in the northern part of the state due to the weight of the structures from the snow and the rain. The floods in 2010, the team was pretty active during the floods. And we have people behind the scenes, you people that are doing your planning. Nice to help out. That's why we do it. It's nice to help out, and we're there when people need assistance.
The most important thing you need to have coming in to this organization is, first of all, is to have the right attitude. Attitude is the most important thing. And that is an attitude to give of your time to serve. My connection with seeing what Red Cross does would be following our mission in Hancock County, Mississippi, following Hurricane Katrina. We saw what Red Cross really does on a grand scale at that incident, because they were going over and above what they would probably normally do as far as providing the assets that they needed. Not only did they assist the people there, which was their primary mission, they did a lot to support our needs. If we ran short of water or something like that, to really see what they do would be what we witnessed in Mississippi. The people that you don't see and what they do on a day-to-day basis over here, the time, the effort, the energy, the dedication, they're the people that are getting the award.